Hello student, welcome to Math Master class and nice Olympiad Math problem. In this problem we are finding value of x. If root of x into 3 plus 4x is equal to 1. Now our question is root of x into 3 plus 4x is equal to 1. This is our question. And now we're taking multiplying to both sides. 2 into root of x into 3 plus 4x is equal to 2 into 1. Now this will be 2 into 3 under the root x plus this 2 into 4 is 8x is equal to 2 multiplied by 1 is 2. Under root of 8 into 3 into under root of x into 3 plus 8x is equal to 2. And this will be under root of 8x into 3 plus 8x is equal to 2. Now let under root of 8x into 3 is equal to a, and 8x is equal to a into power 3. We let this and putting this equation we get a into plus a into power 3 is equal to 2. Now a into power 3 plus a, this 2 move into left side, and minus 2 is equal to remain 0. Next step, this 2 is 1 plus 1, a into power 3 plus a minus 1 is equal to 0. Simple. And that's a into power 3 minus 1 plus a minus 1 is equal to 0. This into this and this into this. Now we are using this formula, a into power 3 plus b into power 3 is equal to a plus b into a square plus ab plus b square. We applying this formula and we get a plus a minus 1, and this will be a square plus a plus 1 plus a minus 1 is equal to 0. A minus 1 into a square plus a plus 1 plus 1 is equal to 0. Now we get two sides, one is this, second is this. One is a minus 1 and a minus 1 is equal to 0. Now we are recalling our value of a. Our a is also equal to under the root of 8x into 3. Now we recall our equation. This, let root of 8x into 3 is equal to a. Now this is our second side. Second side we use this formula b square minus 4ac, and this will be 1 square minus 4 into 1 into this 1 plus 1, 2, and that is equal to minus 7. This is less than 0, and this side is not our real solution. Now we are solving this side, left side, and left side we get a is also equal to root of 8x into 3 is equal to minus 1 is equal to 0. And now a is equal to 8x is equal to 1, and this divided by 8, this divided by 8, and this 8 is equal by this, remain x is equal to 1 divided by 8. This is our value of x. This is our final value of x. Now we verify this video. Now we are verifying this, and our question is under root of x into 3 plus 4x is equal to 1. Our x is 1 divided by 8. Now we are putting root of 1 divided by 8 into 3 plus 4 into 1 divided by 8 is equal to 1, and this will be this 8 cut by this, remain 2, and this will be 1 divided by 2, this cut by this, remain 2, plus this equal to 1 divided by 2 is equal to 1. Now this is 1 and 1 is equal to 1. Our left hand side is equal to right hand side, and our answer is now verified, and our value of x is equal to 1 divided by 8. X is equal to 1 divided by 8. Thank you for watching video till end. Subscribe for more Olympiad Math problem.